Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and Microsoft decided to clarify its position on the printer drivers and printers that it issued a few weeks ago, where they were saying that they were deprecating V3 and V4 printer drivers, and that the drivers won't download from Windows Update anymore. And it created a stir because a lot of people said, well, my old printer is going to stop working. So Microsoft just wanted to tell everybody that, no, your old printer is still going to continue working. But, of course, new printers are now going to use the Mopria service for printing. And this is actually a very good idea because there were too many standards, too many different things, and it was always complicated with printers. So by having Mopria, a Mopria compatible printer works with anything. So if you print from Android, print from an iPhone, print from a Mac, print from Windows, all these printers will print. No more going around and trying to figure out how to have it work. This is a very simplified way of now having printing done, and scanning also, as it's printing and scanning that will use this standard. What Microsoft says is that the older printer, if you have a 10-year-old printer and you reinstall Windows, it's still going to work. It's still going to, set up and be able to do what you were doing before. The drivers from manufacturers will not exist anymore in that old format because they are actually dangerous. The security aspect of the drivers is what is making Microsoft, remove the standards, but it doesn't remove the fact that your printer, it's not going to stop working. It doesn't remove the printer. It's still going to continue working. As time goes by and printers get, new, if you buy a new printer, well, your new printer will be Mopria standard, so that will be okay. But for the most part, Microsoft says not to worry. Old printer scanners that still work in Windows 11, they're going to continue working. It's just that they're moving to a new standard, and this is a good idea. A lot of people were on the impression that this shouldn't be. Actually, this should be because it will simplify printing for the future and scanning also on any device that you want to use your printer scanner services. So your old printer is not in danger. It is probably going to continue working. When it stops working, it could be like, a new version of Windows, for example, no new drivers available. And since V3, V4 are deprecated, they will not accept to have manufacturers create these older drivers, but that's not much of a problem because the manufacturers will anyways not do it. This has always been the case. Manufacturers always stop at some point supporting some old devices. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.